Woo. Boy.
Yeah.
I'm in the bitch terror. Got a head full of stacks. Better grab an umbrella. I make it right. I make it right. I'm in the bitch terror. Got a head full of stacks. Better grab an umbrella. I make it right. I make it right. Make it rain on them hoes. I make it right. I make it right. I make it rain on them hoes. I make it right. I make it right. I make it rain on them hoes. I make it right. I make it right. I make it rain on them hoes.
You hear the echo, man, I've seen the best go. Can see how that metal. I'm a hustler, a pusher's pusher. You a buster, customer. I get to some cooker, get crackin' some chemist. I pack an 11, I'm macking a 7. I clap at your reppin'. I see you in NY, I send you an invite. You gon' need you a pass, that's the code that we live by.
Yeah, I'm in the bitch terror. Got a head full of stacks. Better grab an umbrella. I make it right. I make it right. I'm in the bitch terror. Got a head full of stacks. Better grab an umbrella. I make it right. I make it right. Make it rain on them hoes. I make it right. I make it right. I make it rain on them hoes. I make it right. I make it right. I make it rain on them hoes. I make it right. I make it right. I make it rain on them hoes.
Clap, clap, clap. Gotta make that. Clap, gotta make that. Clap, 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 clap. Yeah, clap. Gotta make that. Clap, yeah, make that. Yeah, yeah. Now why is everybody so mad at the Southpaw? Change your style up, switch to Southpaw. Jada, I was listening, so I made him an anthem to make some dividends. Lil mama child hit me with that show.